Welcome back to BNN.
With this week's anchors,
Morgan
and Alex.
Let's get started. Congratulations to all of our Pioneer Breakout basketball players for trying hard on their game last week.
Come out and support Pioneer Middle School while they play Denison Thursday night.
Remember, no outside food or drinks except water and a lunch packed at home.
It's time for the next iReady challenge. Students that complete 2 reading and 2 math iReady lessons get to have a fun Friday.
There's an awards assembly tomorrow. Congratulations to all of our hardworking Pioneer Breakouts.
And now to Ava.
And now it's time for cooking with Omar, I guess.
Today we're making chicken fajitas, and now we're gonna drizzle some olive oil everywhere. Next, we're gonna pour some onions into the pan. Start stirring until it starts caramelizing. Keep mixing until they turn golden brown. Now pour some green onions and yellow onions into the pan and start mixing. Mix, mix, mix. Pour some pink salt all over the thing. And some ground cumin. And crushed black pepper. Mix, 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 mix. Then pour your whole packet of chicken fajita into the pan. Mix, mix, mix. Then once it's all done, pour it into a nice plate. Taste test time. Hey, this is pretty good. All right, see you.
Let's get ready for Poppins with Kerrigan.
Welcome to Poppins with Kerrigan. I'm Kerrigan, and today we have Brody Thomas here to give you future 8th graders some advice. So Brody, tell me a little about yourself and what curriculums or sports you're in.
I'm in band. I do tennis and track.
Cool. And what's your favorite thing about Pioneer?
Really well built school.
Great. And who's one of your favorite teachers?
Miss Connery.
And who's your hero?
Probably me.
Okay. And lastly, some quick advice for the future 8th graders.
Don't do algebra.
This week is the week of hope. Let's watch this announcement from Hope Squad to see what it's all about.
What is Hope Squad? It is peer-to-peer support that spreads awareness about suicide and inspires hope and kindness in students across campus.
Hope Squad members actively look for ways to support their peers and increase connectedness in our school.
During Hope Week, or the Week of Hope, we plan events and activities around mental health and suicide awareness.
We challenge students and staff to commit to wellness, awareness, and culture of of support and kindness in our school.
Next week, we have activities. For Tuesday, we're blue for kindness.
On Wednesday, we're purple in support of suicide prevention.
On Thursday, we're orange to block out bullying.
For Friday, we're tie-dye for Peace, Love, and Kindness Day.
Thank you for tuning in to BNN this week.
And remember the big three: respect,
Responsibility,
and safety.
don't snooze on the news.